Good morning, student. Now we start parabola. Parabola is a type of curve-like circle. So, what is parabola? So, it is a locus of a point. It is locus of a point equidistant from a fixed point called the focus and a fixed line called directrix. A point will move in such a way that distance from a fixed point focus and a line will be always same. So for standard form, I am taking the focus on x-axis at a distance of a from the origin. So coordinate will be a comma 0, and just opposite side take another point minus a comma 0. There I have drawn a line that is called directrix. I have taken this one as a directrix, this one as a focus. The point will be midpoint of these two. Now point will move. If the point moves straightway, then distance becomes smaller, distance becomes greater. So we cannot move like this. It has to move in such a way, this way. Then this distance and this distance always equal. So what type of curve is coming? This curve is called parabola. Anywhere distance from this line to this and distance from this point to this line and distance from this point to this will be equal. Let the moving point be x comma y, and this point is M, perpendicular. So as per question, PF is equal to PM. Distance from P to the focus, distance from P to the line will be same. So what is PF? Distance from this point to this point, x minus a whole square, y minus 0 whole square is equal to 0. And distance from this point to this line equation of the line will be x plus a equal to 0. X is equal to negative a means x plus a equal to 0. Now distance from this point to this line by distance formula, equation remains same. X will be replaced by x and coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. Now squaring both the sides, opening this one, this is coming, then y square, again squaring both sides, this is coming. So x square cancel, a square also cancel, so y square became 4x. This is the standard form of the equation of the parabola. This is standard form. Now if the curve is like this, then focus will be negative a comma 0, directrix will be here, then equation became y square is equal to minus 4ax. Again, if the curve is like this, focus will be here 0 comma a and directrix will be here, then equation will be x square is equal to 4ay. Then if the curve is like this, then it is coming x square is equal to minus 4ay. These are the four possible forms. We have taken center as origin, center of the parabola, the point will be here, then it moves. This type of curve is coming. Okay. So some important things of the parabola. If the equation of the parabola is like this, then axis of the parabola is x-axis. This is called axis of the parabola, that is called x-axis. Whereas if equation is this, then axis of the parabola this one, that is y-axis. Focus will be a comma 0. If this is equation, this became 0 comma a. Equation of the directrix is x plus a 0. Here will be directrix. This point will be 0 comma minus a. So it will be y plus a equal to 0. Y plus a equal to 0. Vertex 0 0. This case also vertex 0 0. Now length of the lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? Let us first we know what is chord. Chord of a curve is any line segment joining two endpoints. Those endpoints are on the curve. This is chord. What is focal chord? Focal chord is a chord passing through the focus. Now what is letter septum? It is a focal chord perpendicular to the axis. Now this one is called letter septum. This L dash, this length is called letter septum. This curve is y equal to 4ax. So we are going to find length of the letter septum. Okay. So this point we know a comma 0. Let this point be, this length is y1. Then coordinate of this point will be a comma y1. If I take this length y1, this is a, then coordinate of this point will be a comma y1. This point, coordinate of this point will be a comma y1, and this point will satisfy this equation because this point lies on this curve. So y1 square equal to 4a. Then y1 is equal to root over plus minus root over 4a square. y1 is equal to 2a. Length are finding, so L1 will be 2 into 2a, that is 4a. So length of the letter septum coming 4a. Length of the letter septum coming 4a. So here also, if it is this one, then also length of the letter septum coming 4a. Okay, these are the basic things of the parabola. Now we are going to solve some questions. 11.2. Exercise 11.2, question number 1. Equation of a parabola given. We have to find coordinate of the focus, axis of the parabola, length of the letter septum. So this is clear, it is x-axis parabola. So write this one, y square equal to 4ax, a will be 3. Then coordinate of the focus will be a comma 0. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. Length of the letter septum will be 4 into a is 3, that is 12 units. Okay, one more question I am doing. Question number 6. X square is equal to negative 9y. We can rewrite it, x square is equal to 4 into negative 9 by 4 y. Then what will be the coordinate of the focus? Coordinate of the focus will be 0 comma negative 9 by 4. Axis of the axis will be coming y axis. X square is there. Y axis and this is 9. And then length of the letter septum. Length of the letter septum four into a. Length I am choosing negative and that is 9 units. Negative sign I am avoiding. So this way you complete up to question number 6. Thank you. कितना देर